Good morning, YouTube friends, and welcome back to Woodbury Cottage. Today we are doing a small project for Valentine's Day. At church, we are having a senior ladies Valentine lunch and learn, guest speaker, music, things like that. And we're going to make them a cute little Valentine take home. We also are going to have cookies for them to take home, but we ordered those from a local business, try to support small businesses in our hometown. And then we're going to have these for them to take home. That's made with the Christmas candy canes. And I've already made about 5. I'm probably going to make about 20. But this popsicle stick or craft stick, I ran out. So I went to the store to see if I could get some more, and they are out. All they have are the little teeny popsicle sticks. So I found these. Let me take it out. So I'm going to try these, see how it works. You get 4 in a pack for $1. And might even look better. Alright, let's get on it. Y'all ready? Let's get started. I'm excited about crafting today. Let me get y'all where you can see. Russell's out there working on the area that we're planning on putting our shop in. So it'll be much easier for you to see what we're working on. Get that shop going. These candy canes are in date. They're good until 24. So if you've got some candy canes left over from Christmas, check the date on them. Don't be afraid to use them. Or if you still got some stores in your area that's producing your Christmas items, you might could pick up a couple of packs. Now this little craft is so easy. You might could get, people that don't like to craft to even help you. Anybody can do this. Now all these candy canes are not the same size, even though they come in the same box. So you gotta find which ones look good together. Okay. Let's get this little bow going. I'm just going to do like a shoestring bow. Kind of shoe. See if we have what we have here. I think I will put I really want this lace on it. Let's see, can I find this? It says we're keeping it simple. Let's see, can we find a lace ribbon? Okay, I found it. This is the ribbon that we got last week at the thrift store. Some of it had a lot on each roll, and some of it had nothing, just one maybe 12 inches or so. First one down. This way. lot stronger too. I like that idea much better. Alright. Is that cute? Didn't have to use that hot glue. This would be a cute kids craft too, but I just don't know about hot glue with small kids. I could just tie it around there. You would still have to glue these candy canes. Maybe you could go ahead and glue the candy canes in advance. Let them color the stick and then glue it on form and tie the bow, tie a shoestring ribbon on there. Now let's make another one. This stand that I've got them on, this is just a piece of styrofoam wrapped with tinfoil. Just to keep them from falling over and breaking. Okay, let's do one more. That's good. See if it'll fit. Because like I said, all those popsicles, they are not the same size, so you want to dry fit it before you glue it. Just hold that a few seconds. Glue that to the stick. And I can even save a step and just glue it straight to the stick. Okay, now that's drying, let's make a bow. Tying your shoe. If you're an extravagant bow maker, you could really upgrade this craft. It's cute. I messed up the shoestring. You could upgrade it and do all kinds of things. Clock ticking is too loud for y'all, would somebody comment and let me know? I don't pay it any attention, but it drives my son crazy. He says, Mama, how can y'all stand it in there with those clocks? We're in a tiny house, and we have 2 clocks. I don't know why. Oh, but he says it's very loud, but we don't pay it any attention because I guess we're just used to it. I like to know what time it is at all times. Okay, let's lay down some glue for the ribbons. Lay it there and set this on top of it. I think the senior ladies that enjoy these. Get them. We're having this party on the 7th, so they can use it at their house for some decoration if they want to. They'll still have time before Valentine's Day. Alright, that one's pink. Let's do one more. They're so easy and so fast. We'll do one more. I'm going to try gluing it to the stick this time. Let's see how that works. A little bit there. A little bit there. A little bit there. say it's about the same either way. You can do it either way. It's about the same. YouTuber make a bow called a chopstick bow. I want to learn how to do that. But you know, it's just, the enemy is just time. Who has the time to do everything? And the way I like to craft, I like to use what I already have and what if I don't have it, I can get it readily available. And something that if somebody else really liked what I did, they would be able to do it too. I don't like to do stuff that's too difficult. That little chopstick bow, it was really cute. It didn't look that hard, so I'm going to try to look it up. And I don't want to do something like that on YouTube without seeing who I got it from. If it's something that I saw somebody else do. So I'll try to find out who it is and write it down and learn how to do it. Oh, we got our 2 bows. I'll put the purple down first on this one. And lace this. To make these years ago, but seems like the candy canes are so much thicker and more brilliant coloring. This looks good. I probably could still find those type of candy canes somewhere. Maybe this year I'll get some early. Get the bigger ones or the nicer ones. That's a cute little gift. Alright. If you got some candy canes left over from Christmas, get with it and make you some. Just pass them out to your friends if you don't have a sweetheart, or if you don't have a little Valentine party to go to. Just make you up some just to give to your friends. I think anybody would enjoy that. Most people like candy canes. Okay. Thank you for watching Woodbury Cottage. It means a lot to us. And if you have time to hit that red subscribe button, that would be so nice. It helps us grow our channel. It lets YouTube know that you enjoy this kind of content, and they push us up further to the top. So if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, go ahead and do so. And if you have time, if you hit the thumbs up there, the little picture of the thumbs up, that also pushes us up further into the algorithm. All right, we thank you. See you next time.